In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Temu app verification puzzle problem. If you've been trying to log into Temu or access certain features and keep getting stuck on the verification puzzle screen, this tutorial will help you solve the issue quickly and easily. Verification puzzles are designed to protect accounts and prevent suspicious activity, but sometimes they can malfunction or repeatedly appear due to browser issues, cached files, or extensions interfering with the app or website. In this guide, I'll walk you through several simple fixes that can help restore normal access to Temu. To begin, the first thing you should try is refreshing the page or completely restarting your browser. Sometimes the verification system fails to load properly because of a temporary glitch or interrupted session. Closing the browser entirely and reopening it can often refresh the connection and resolve the problem immediately. If the puzzle still keeps appearing, the next step is to clear your browser's browsing data. Open your browser settings and look for the menu represented by 3 dots or a similar settings icon near the top corner of the screen. From there, locate the option for Browsing Data or Privacy Settings. Once you find it, select the options for cookies and cached files before deleting the stored data. Clearing cache and cookies helps remove temporary files that may be corrupted or outdated. These files can sometimes interfere with website security systems, including Temu's verification process. After clearing the data, restart your browser and try accessing Temu again to see if the issue has been fixed. If the verification puzzle continues to appear, check your browser's extensions next. Certain add-ons, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can sometimes prevent verification systems from functioning properly. Open your browser's extension management page and temporarily disable any active extensions that may interfere with website loading or security features. Once the extensions are disabled, refresh the Temu page and try completing the verification puzzle again. In many cases, this solves the issue immediately because the website can finally load all the required verification elements correctly. Another helpful solution is switching to a different browser entirely. If you are currently using one browser and the problem persists, try opening Temu using another option, such as Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Chrome. Different browsers handle security systems differently, so changing browsers can sometimes bypass the issue completely. By following these troubleshooting methods, you should be able to fix the Temu verification puzzle problem and continue using the app or website normally again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.